Hello.
Okay.
So today we have Mr. Shiva Nageshwara with us from company Ila Agri. So we welcome you to the Drone Expo 2025.
Yeah.
And I'm here to ask you a few questions
Yeah.
related to the exhibition and about your company.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now starting on, can you please introduce yourself to our audience and tell us a bit about yourself and your company?
Okay, sir. Myself, Shiva Nageshwar Rao from Ila Agri Services Private Limited.
Okay.
I am a project manager in that company.
Okay.
We are working this company since last 3 years. We have serviced farmers more than 50 acres of spraying
Good.
over last 3 years. Okay, based on that 50,000 acres experience, we have started drone vaporization and drone franchisee.
Good.
Okay, in the drone vaporization model, we are going to serve more than 1 lakh farmers in AP and Telangana regions.
Well,
And in drone franchisee model, we are going to give more than 100 franchises in AP and Telangana. First, we are going to serve in AP and Telangana states only.
so you are
Based
first
on-
planning for the regional
Yes, sir.
one.
AP and Telangana only. Based on the feedback received by AP and Telangana states, next year we are going to proceed.
So you are right now planning to move towards south and capital
Yes, sir.
area first.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, I think you are having lots of product on your stand, as I can see. Like you have physical drones as well. So
Yes.
can you tell us a bit about the drones that you have present in your stand in this drone expo? To our audiences.
Everything is, you have priorities, everything is good, sir.
Okay.
So next, we are going to participate in your expo where you can definitely. Sir.
Okay. So now coming on to the exhibition,
Okay.
what do you think about the footfall? How was the visitor?
Visitors' response is good, sir.
Okay.
First day we have got more than 60 responses, and
Good.
this day we have got more than 55 persons visited our office
Good.
and
Good.
expressed their interest with
They were really interested.
good, sir.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, sir.
And we are having exhibition in Mumbai next year, this year only, I guess.
Okay.
So will you be participating in this exhibition, or you are still thinking about it?
It is possible to participate in AP and Telangana, sir, but
Okay.
we have no branches in Mumbai
Maharashtra.
and Maharashtra.
Okay.
That's why we're not able to participate.
No problem. Thank you so much for your time, and we hope to see you in next time in the next
Okay.
edition of Drone Expo as well.
Definitely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.